Fourth grade into math lesson module 8 review. Vocabulary. Write the correct term for the definition. An example of this term is shown. Blank are numbers that are easy to compute mentally. So what are they? They rounded, right? Okay. And what was that called? Do you guys remember? It starts with a C. What did they use? Right? Okay, so estimate then find the product. So what am I going to estimate 46 to? Is it closer to 40 or 50? 50. 93, is it closer to 90 or 100? 90. Put 5 in a box, 9 in a box. What is that? 45 and add 2 zeros. Okay, so what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to do partial product? Do you guys want to do just standard form? Okay, so that's 46 times 93. Remember, if you need extra paper, go get it. So I would do my 10s times my 10s, so 40 times 90. I would do my 10s times my 1s, my other 10s times my 1s, and then my 1s times my 1s. Those are all place values, right? Okay, so 4 times 9 is 36, and add 2 zeros, right? 4 times 3 is 12, and add 1 zero. 9 times 6 is what? 54, and add 1 zero. 6 times 3 is 18. Add, so 8, 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. Say the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So my actual answer is 4,378. Okay, on number 3, let's use the area model or the partial products using the area model with the box. So I'm going to draw my box. I'm going to break it into 4 pieces. Okay. 23 we're going to break into 23. We can break that into what? 20 and 3. And then we can break 17 into 10 and 7. This box would be 20 times 10, which is what? 200. Okay. This box is 10 times 3, which is 30. This box is 20 times 7, which is 140. And this box is 7 times 3, which is 21. So I'm going to add all of those. So 200 plus 140 plus 30 plus 21. So 193. Is that right? Okay. So that's our actual answer. We forgot to estimate. So we would take 20 times what? 20. So 2 times 2 is 4, and add 2 zeros, so 400. All right, number 4, we're just going to do our standard 34 times 18. So cover up the 1 like we can't see it. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry the 3. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 3 is 27. Mark off the 3, mark off the 8, and put a 0 so we can start in the 10 spot. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is, and add 2, 11, carry the 1, 6. So our actual answer is 612. We forgot to do our estimate. 34, is it closer to 30 or 40? 30 times 18, is it closer to 10 or 20? 20. So, put my 3, 2, 6 with 2 zeros. Are those probably right? Yes, because they're close. Okay, number 5, we're going to do that one standard. 89 times 21. So cover up the 2, pretend like you can't see it. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. Mark off the 1, put a 0 so we can move to our 10 spot. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry a 1. 2 times 8 is plus 1 is, and then add. So 9, 16, carry the 1, 8, 1. So our actual, oh, I put my comma in the wrong spot, is 1,869. We forgot to do our estimate. So 89 is closer to 80 or 90? Times 21 is closer to 20 or 30? 20. 9 times 2 is 18. Add 2 zeros. So is our answers probably correct? Yes, because they are close. So 6 through 9 are all units of 10. They're all multiplied by units of 10. Okay? So whenever we multiply by a unit of 10, all you have to do is add a what? A 0. So here's a little trick when you work these kinds of problems. You can take 19. Actually, I'm going to work over here so I have a little bit more room. So number 6 will be right here. So if I take 19 times 60, I'm going to pop that 0 out. Okay? So is it really in there with the place values? No, I popped it out to the side. Okay? Now, you can only do that with a unit of 10 that has a 0 on the end. Okay? Now to do that, I can just literally drop down the 0 and then I do not use it anymore. Okay? And then I can take 6 times 9 and get what? 54. So put the 4, carry the 5. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 is 11. So my answer is 1,140. Okay, so number 7, I would put 34 times 60 and pop out the 0 again. Now what do I do? You bring down the 0 and then you cross it off because we are not using it anymore, right? Okay, 6 times 4 is 24. Put the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So my answer is 2,040. Okay, now the reason why you can do this is because if I would plug 0 all the way through, what would I get? 0. Okay, which that would be fine. And then I would know to hold my place value when I move to the 10s, but does this work as well? Yes. Okay, because then we're automatically just moving to the 10s place, correct? Okay. All right, number 8. So 62 times 30. So just pop out the 0. Okay, what do I do first? Bring the 0 down and then cross it off so I know I'm done with it. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So 1,860. Okay, so number 9. 77 times 40. Okay, what do I do first? Bring down my 0 and then mark it off so I don't use it anymore. 4 times 7 is, put the 8, carry the 2. 4 times 7 is, plus 2 is 30. So 3,080 is my answer.